Nature of popular movements. Movements are a source for strengthening the democracy. They bring people together to fight for their rights. Environmental movements, party-based movements, and non-party-based movements are the nature of popular movements in India. Environmental movement. Environmental movements involve issues related to ecology and environment. Chipko movement in Uttarakhand was the world-famous environmental movement. The major issue of the movement was control over natural resources. It has ecological, economic, and social underpinnings. The large-scale participation of women was the highlight of the movement. The victory was achieved when the government banned the felling of trees. Party-based movements. These are movements carried out by political parties. The Indian nationalist movement was a political movement, but many times political parties carry out mass movements over social issues too. After independence, such movements became party-based movements. The support of communist parties for peasants in Telangana after independence is one such example. These movements led to better representation of the people from a various social milieu in Indian party politics. Non-party-based movements. The turmoil in the Indian society in the 70s and 80s led to many non-political groups to fight over many issues prevailing in the country. Coupled with the failure of then government and the planned model of economic development, the politically active groups were disillusioned and moved away from party politics. Issues surrounding Dalits and Adivasis, upliftment of the rural poor, were taken up by student organizations and political activists. Their nature of work was voluntary and thus became voluntary organizations. Their non-involvement in direct electoral politics made them non-party political organizations. They believed in the direct participation of the citizens to reform democracy